أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Assalamu alaikum to the respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Balkis Rueda from grade 8. I like to speak a few words about father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, whom we call as Mahatma Gandhi or Babuji, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His mother name was Putlibai and his father Karamchand Gandhi held the position of Diwan in state of Rajkot. He got qualified as a barrister in England and came back to India. Later, he was in South Africa for around 2 decades, where he saw the injustice of white men towards Indians in many ways. He returned to India in 1915 and allied with Congress. He launched the Satyagraha movement against British. Under his leadership, Congress started movements like non-violence and non-cooperation to oppose the British rule. Yet another movement is called Quit India movement was started by him in 1942, which forced British to leave our country, and this India got independence on 15th August 1947. He dedicated his entire life in pursuit of the truth and believed in living a simple life. He worked for social issues like discrimination on the basis of caste and gender. Unfortunately, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 30 January 1948. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm Harisa from grade 7. Today my topic is Independent India. A very good morning to the respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, happy 75th Independence Day. I'm Harisa. I would like to speak a few words of Independence Day. Today on 15th August 2021, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of free and independent India nation. Independence Day not a just day of celebration. It is a feeling of patriotism and freedom. Independence Day celebrated annually on August 15th. Along with Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day is a national holiday in our country. On August 15, 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian flag above the Lahar-e of the Red Fort in Delhi. This practice continues of date. The current Prime Minister raised the flag and gave an address to the nation. Our President gave a speech on this day. We celebrate Independence Day with a full of passion and happiness. On this day, we should pay our tribute to our freedom fighter. Children dress up like freedom fighter and pay tribute to them. Independence Day achieved independence large by non-violent received and clear disturbance. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hafiza from grade 8. I am going to speak about Jawaharlal Nehru. Before that, let me wish a very happy Independence Day for those who all are present here. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the name that is known as every little children of our nation, also known as Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru had a great love from all the little children, and that is why today we are celebrating his birthday as Children's Day. He was a very good leader, author and freedom fighter, and was a man of very great love from our country. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Good morning to all my teachers, parents and dear friends. I am Aisha of class 7. I will speak a few lines on Independence Day. On 15th of August is our Independence Day. On this day in the year, we won our freedom from foreign rule. It is a national holiday. On this great oceans, our Prime Minister hoisted the national flag on Red Fort. So friends, let's take a pledge to protect the peace and unity of our great national holiday. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Umar, studying in grade 10. I am going to speak the topic of the leader who inspired me. I was inspired by the leader Marudanayagam Pillai. Marudanayagam Pillai was born in the year 1725. He was a commandant of British East India Company's Madras Army. He born in a Hindu family in a village called Panayur in British India. What is now Nayanar Koil Taluk in Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu, India. He converted to Islam and he was named as Muhammad Yusuf Khan. He popularly known as Khan Sahib when he became the ruler of Madurai. He became a warrior in Arcot troops and later a commandant for British East India Company troops. The British and Arcot Nawab employed him to suppress the polygal uprising in South India. Later, he entrusted to administer the Madurai country when the Madurai Nayak rule ended. A dispute arose with British and Arcot Nawab, and 3 Khan's associates were bribed to capture him. He captured during his morning prayer and hanged on 15th October 1764 at Samattipuram near Madurai. Local legends state that he survived 2 early attempts at hanging and that the Nawab feared that Yusuf Khan would come back to life, and so his body dismembered and buried in different places around Tamil Nadu. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hi everyone, I am going to play the role of Iron Lady of India. She is none other than Srimati Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi. I am the 3rd Prime Minister of India. I am the First Lady Prime Minister of India. I am the only daughter of First Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I was born 19 November 1917 at Ananda Bhavan, UP. I strong believe in power.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today I am speak about Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru. He wanted to take part in the fight for independence. Even though he belonged to a wealthy family, he returned to India after graduating from Britain and became a member of the Indian National Congress. His father Motilal Nehru had been the president of Congress twice. Jawaharlal Nehru became close to Mahatma Gandhi during his membership of the Congress. Gandhi supported Nehru and unanimously made him president of Congress in 1929, succeeding Motilal Nehru, his father. Nehru was also imprisoned for his role in the non-cooperation movement in 1921. Before becoming President of Congress, as President of Congress, Nehru became politically involved. Nehru also worked closely with Subhash Chandra Bose, but when Bose wanted to fight military against the British, the two parted their ways. The Children's Day have been celebrated on November 14 because of Nehru's love and affection of children. Children's Day is observed every year on November 14, the anniversary of Nehru's birth. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.
ஹாய் அண்ட் அஸ்லாம் வலைக்கம். என் பெயர் அல்ஜீரா. நான் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். அனைவருக்கும் எனது சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். 75வது சுதந்திர விழாவில் எனக்கு பேச வாய்ப்பளித்ததற்கு நன்றி. ஜாதி மத பேதமின்றி ஒற்றுமை என்ற நாடு எங்கள் பாரத நாடு. என்ற பாரதியின் சொல்லுக்கு இணங்க ஒற்றுமை உள்ள நாடு நம் பாரத நாடு. இந்தியாவில் பிறந்ததில் நான் பெருமை கொள்கிறேன். 1947ஆம் ஆண்டு ஆகஸ்ட் மாதம் 15ஆம் நாள் நம் நாடு சுதந்திரம் அடைந்தது. சும்மா கிடைத்ததில்லை இந்த சுதந்திரம். பல தலைவர்களும் புரட்சிகளும் ஆங்கிலேயர்களும் போராடி பெற்று தந்த இந்த சுதந்திரம் அவர்களை நினைவு கூறுவோம். அகிம்சை என்னும் மந்திரத்தை உலகிற்கு கற்றுத் தந்தவர் மகாத்மா காந்தி. வீரத்தை பற்றி பேசினாலே சற்றென்று நினைவுக்கு வருபவர் வீரபாண்டிய கட்டபொம்மன். போர் மூலமே எதிர்க்க முடியும் என்று இந்திய தேசிய இராணுவத்தை உருவாக்கி ஆங்கிலேயரை எதிர்த்தார் நேதாஜி சுபாஷ் சந்திர போஸ். பகத்சிங் உண்மையான வீரராக வாழ்ந்து நம் நாட்டிற்காக மடிந்த புரட்சியாளர். நம் தேசத்திற்கு செய்த தியாகத்திற்கு உயிர் கொடுப்போம். பெற்ற சுதந்திரத்தை பேணி காப்போம். இந்திய நாடு என்பதில் பெருமை கொள்வோம். பால் உயர்வோம். வறுமையான இந்தியாவை வளர்ச்சியாக ஆக்குவோம். வாழ்க இந்தியா. ஜெய்ஹிந்த்.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very warm good morning to everyone present here. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on before and after independence. From 1947 till 2021, August 15 is an invaluable day in every Indian's life. Yes, today is our Independence Day, but we need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pain and difficulties to fight for our nation. Many of our people led a miserable and unhappy life. Indians were trapped like a slave without food, education and agriculture. Many suffered and died in starvation. But the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, led us in the right direction and got independence for us. After that independence, good agriculture came up. People were studied happily and all were.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saiful Osman. Happy 75th Independence Day. In this special day, I am going to give a speech about freedom fighter. Freedom fighter. We say a freedom fighter sentence means we will remember Mahatma Gandhi is a great freedom fighter. But now I am giving a speech about Muslim freedom fighter. There are many Muslim freedom fighters, but now I am speak about 4 Muslim freedom fighters. There are Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Maulana Hazrat Mohani, Yusuf Meher Ali, Abdul Hafiz Muhammad Barakatullah. First we are going to speak about Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, probably the only name which comes to our mind if asked about Muslims who fought for the freedom of India. Alas, Yusuf Meher Ali, the man who gave us Team Quiet India movement and Simon Go Back. Yusuf Meher Ali was an Indian freedom fighter and socialist leader. He was elected mayor of Bombay in 1942 while he was installed in Iravada Central Prison. Next we are going to see about Abdul Hafiz Muhammad Barakatullah. Abdul Hafiz Muhammad Barakatullah, known with his honorific as Maulana Barakatullah, was an Indian revolutionary. Barakatullah fought from outside India with fiery speeches and revolutionary writings in loadings newspapers for the independence of India. He did not live to see India free. Barakatullah was the first president of India Independence Party. Thank you.